It's moving day.
It's moving day. Why do you have to get me in it?
You can hide if you want.
Yeah, let me hide while you take your video.
Where are we going first?
I don't know. I'm glad I got my toast because I was thinking, I was like, burrito.
I'm glad I got my toes because I was thinking a burrito.
That makes no sense. Are you recording?
I
woke up. I always think burritos sound good. Like as soon as I wake up. I think work called me.
Are you supposed to work today?
No.
Maybe they want you to.
Well, they're no. Hey, is this Trevani?
Is this Hannah?
No? Yeah, it is. Oh, Amber's here too.
Hi.
Oh my goodness.
We had a sleepover.
Well, I was calling to see if you're interested in some hours.
I knew it.
The answer is no. Sorry, I totally would if I wasn't helping Amber. Stupid Amber.
She's the worst, right?
Hey!
All she
Okay, bye. I love Trevani. He's so nice.
I love him too, but he does contribute to my anxiety. I need to get a bed. I need to get beans.
Okay, let's go to my place
and
talk about our plan. Go to Costco and do the stuff. And then maybe tonight we'll go on that hike if we want.
Sounds good. Ew. I'm sorry. Hi. We are in for a busy day. Queen's car so she can move everything in car into van. I'm moving into my van today. That's crazy to think about. I'm thinking since I have so many things that I don't need, I'm gonna get rid of a lot. And the stuff I don't get rid of, I'm gonna need to organize it somehow, maybe put it into bins or something. And just have that in the van until I like build actual homes for it. And then I need a bed in there. And you might be saying, well, what, move the bed that you currently have into the van. No. If you remember me building this bed, the front legs are shorter than the back legs. I mean, the opposite. The front legs are longer than the back legs. It would be really tilty and also is not gonna, work. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna get a mattress and stick it in there so I can sleep on that for the time being until I build an actual bed. Plus I'm gonna need to make it comfy because Jillian is visiting me next week and we're going camping in my van. So if you don't know who Jillian is, first of all, fuck you. Okay, she's my best friend from Minnesota. Let me clean this and then we're gonna go to Costco with Hannah. I love Hannah too, so don't forget that. I'll see you at Costco maybe. Took a detour.
You wanna buy anything?
I need to buy storage bins.
Okay, they're over here.
Makes sense, right? Okay. Dude, it just appeared in our lives.
It did.
That was perfect. Do you need help?
It's so heavy. It's heavy.
I feel like that's all I needed. Okay.
Why not? Water?
We're gonna start doing this now. This is what my car looks like now. I do need that. possible. And oh, I opened it. I opened it. What do I do first? Check the mattress out first so that we can like put everything around it. Yeah.
No, don't you want to lift it up so it's not on the floor?
But I need it because I'm gonna be sleeping in here.
You should put a blanket down or something. Like that way the mattress doesn't get dirty.
Okay, I might need help taking this out.
You have a knife?
It comes with a knife.
Oh, sick. Give me it. Dude, can I keep this?
Yeah, what is it?
It's a really good mail opener and I need one. Okay, pull this. Pull that. You're gonna be so mad. It's like the $200, that's a good deal.
It is so comfy. I like it. I can stretch out now.
I have a sheet. Let me go get one inside. Use it.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even use it right now.
Oh my gosh, how do you do it? It's like 75. We'll say like 73 because we'll have walls and insulation. Perfect.
Wait, are you gonna strap stuff? If you drive it, then it's just gonna go flying around. Would you want to wait then?
No, I want to put everything in here. If I put those there, the bed will keep them from like moving back and forth with the door closed and stuff. It'll be fine.
You're gonna have so much more fun
Yeah.
sleeping in here.
Dude, I know.
How are you gonna have power?
Solar panels.
Oh, that's how people do it.
Yeah. I'm gonna put my clothes in one of these bins now.
Make a pile. Make a pile of whatever you want to get rid of.
Whatever I want to get rid of. Hi. So, man, it's been quite the adventure so far. In the best way possible, might I add. I did not finish moving the rest of my stuff from my car into the van because I have a lot of shit. And this means that eventually I will have everything in here. But currently, because I've been so busy doing fun things and doing responsible adult things and just things in general, I need to be allowed to do it later, okay? That's all. I do plan on selling my car pretty soon. I have been sleeping in here the past couple nights. It's been great. The biggest perk, we can all guess, like we all know, like I can stand up, full on just straight legs stand, you know? I can just stand now. My sentimental Virgo brain was like thinking about it. It's like I've stepped into my adulthood. Okay, I'm a homeowner now, as some would say, as my friend Nicholas says. I do own a home now, homeowner. Not that I didn't before, so I guess I've always been a homeowner, but I'm just kidding. All I'm trying to say to you right now is that just as a baby learns to walk, I have learned to buy a van I can stand up in. There is a metaphor comparison here. Babies, me. My friend Jillian is coming today, actually. So this week, I'm going to be showing her Utah, which is quite unfortunate because, I mean, look at it. It's kind of a mess. It's kind of polluted with smoke from the fires. That makes nobody happy. Damn. So hopefully she understands. Yeah, it'll be fun. Jillian and I are gonna go camping and we're gonna sleep in here and we're gonna see what she likes and thinks and reacts and says about it. Other than that, it's been great for me so far. I feel liberated, honestly. I didn't know what I was missing, if I'm being completely honest. My car, I adapted to it. We adapt so easily to things, and I adapted to the small space and constant frustration of like having to look for things and like, you know, not be able to see what I'm trying to look for and everything. It's just, I don't know how that happens, but we really adapt. I became comfortable with it, and if you can remember, pretty much was like, now I'm gonna live in my car until I build my van a little bit, and then I'll live in the van. But come to think of it, that's not exactly what happened. I realized that sleeping on a bigger mattress is fulfilling to me. Like, that's just worth it. And so I got this mattress and I've been sleeping on it. It's been great. I feel like I get a better sleep too, just like being in here, because it's not a car and it's a little more private, I guess, even though I don't have window covers up, but still, I just feel more in my own, like, you know, area rather than like on a parking lot street. I really like it and I'm enjoying it, although I am going a little bit crazy because, like I said, my brain identifies as a Virgo and I've struggled with all of this mess. Like, I don't know if you can tell. I'm gonna show you. Like, this is what we're dealing with right now. And this is what we're gonna be dealing with for quite a while until I have everything figured out and built and started. That will take time and we just have to roll with the punches, okay? I'm planning to sell my car, so if any of you want it, hit me up, let me know. Follow me on Instagram, my name is Amber F. Bourgeois. Please subscribe, like this video if you liked it, comment anything you want down below. I don't know how we just got to the outro, but here we are. I think this is done. I will see you next week, Jillian Adventures, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Okay, till next week. Uh-oh. All right, I love you.